Good afternoon, I'm Jeff. I'm a Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 20168 Southwest Deline Street here in Beaverton. We're located at the front of the home, just off to the left of the front doorway. We're going to check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We currently have water running. Here we go. And it does look like it transitions to original cast iron immediately upon access. It looks like right here at 44 feet where it transitions over to 6-inch concrete, we do have a root intrusion coming through the top of the pipe there. It's quite small, but they generally get much larger with time, so I do recommend that be taken care of. Here at 71 feet, we've reached the main. We're going to locate the camera and then let the line drain out. Okay, located the camera head successfully at the main on Deline Street. We're still letting it drain. Okay, we just located this. The X marking is just going to be slightly, or the repair is going to be slightly behind or closer to the house, my X mark. Anyhow, we're at 8 feet deep here. I do recommend correcting the root intrusion before it turns into a big root ball and causes problems. But temporarily, that at this point is not affecting the flow. It very well could if it gets bigger. But I would recommend jetting the line. We do have quite a bit of scale and debris buildup in the pipe, so I jet it. That will cut the roots out. And then if a repair is not going to be done immediately, I would do root killing foam to keep those at bay until the line can be repaired. And if it does, I would look into the cost difference between doing a pipe liner versus traditional trenching. It's under the basically the yardway. There's no dirt. Or, I'm sorry, there's no concrete or anything to deal with. But it is 8 feet deep, so I would look into both repair processes. Yeah, beyond the roots, though, there's a few wipes in the line. There's a few feminine hygiene products. That's one of those right there on the left side of the screen. And those things will just stay there forever, pretty much, if you don't clean them out. And we're going to reverse direction here, just mostly to check for debris buildup that may need to be cleaned in the crawl. The line there we just scoped, though, has got really good flow and is functioning properly at this time, as that root intrusion has not gotten big enough to affect things. So that's as far as we can go back into the crawl. We do have some debris right off the bat here, so I'd recommend jetting about maybe 5-6 feet back in towards the home. That's about it. And I would rescope the line once the repair is done to ensure it was done correctly. Aside from that, at this time we do have good flow to the street and the line is functioning at this time.